Now is Rose time. She came for her grooming. She looks all messy. Ahora es el turno de Rose. Se mira un desastre y medio en su pelito, pero pronto va a quedar hermosa. She's gonna look beautiful soon, and we'll show you the outcome. This is Rose, and she is ready today to get a good bath and a good grooming. We're gonna cut a little bit those ears. Well, not the ears, the hair. And a little bit on those legs and everything, and she will look amazing. Le pensamos cortar un poco el pelo en las orejas, en las patitas, en el cuerpecito, y se va a ver muy bien. Es una perrita muy activa, es muy alegre, muy amigable. She's a very active dog. She's friendly, she's happy, she's energetic, she likes to jump a lot, she likes to be pet. She's a great dog. So we'll show you the outcome once that she's done. This is Rose, and she is getting ready for the weekend. Se está listando para su fin de semana. Rose, di adiós. Rose, say goodbye.